Welcome to the demo of EBS Plan Viewer, Planner's Workbench based on Microsoft Excel. During this session, we will go through some of the reports which are part of the standard configuration to see how they work and how a planner can see all the information that he needs by going to just one single place without having to browse through multiple applications. You can see that I am on the index page right now, which lists all the reports available within this tool. I will start with summary reports. The first one is Plan Overview, which has all of the KPIs for the plan. Once you click on this, it immediately takes you to another page within the same system. So you can see that I am still on the same sheet, and I am able to see the data which can be refreshed by clicking the refresh button. I have two KPIs here, inventory turns and on-time delivery performance, and you can add more KPIs depending upon your planning needs. The data that you see here is refreshed real-time once you click on the refresh button. Let me show you one example. When I click on the button, the database runs the query and exports all the information based on the condition provided, and then automatically reformats it again for you to view. So this pivot has been refreshed based on the latest data. The same is with on-time delivery performance. When you click the refresh button, it fetches the latest data again, and the new data is available for you to view. You can see that it's very easy to navigate and doesn't require going to any other system. You just open this sheet on your laptop or desktop and you're ready to roll. I will go to the home page and will click on the next summary report, which is Exception Report. It lists all the exceptions generated for the latest plan. Here you have the exception group, and here you have exception details, and here's the count corresponding to those exceptions. From this summary level, you can actually click and go to details. Let me show you one example. When I click on this exception, item with shortage, it takes me to a new worksheet, which shows the detail. If I have to investigate the issue with these, then I can send this sheet to someone without affecting the original plan worksheet. So I close this and go back to the plan worksheet. Then I click on the home icon to go back to the index page. Then I click the report Start Plan, which has the unique feature which is used in almost every planning organization. That is to see what is available to release. Sometimes within your ASCP plan, even though you see the quantities available for release, they really don't have on-hand quantities available as components, and they might have some constraints which are not defined in the plan. So this Start Plan report ensures to show only those records that are really ready to be released, as they are directly pegged to only on-hand and nothing else. So you can rely on these numbers and release them without worrying about shortage. So we go to the home page. And you see that the next couple reports are horizontal plan reports, which are the most important reports within the planning world. You have multiple versions here. You have weekly and monthly reports for the units, and then you have weekly and monthly reports again for the dollars. Let me show you how they look. You have filter criteria here, and you have more grouping criteria here. You can drag the icons up and down to have different criteria. You can specify categories here, or any other criteria for which you want to see the horizontal plan. Something like this is available in Oracle, but it's not as sophisticated as this. For seeing the horizontal plan, you need to find the items and click on them one by one, which is very tedious. Here, you can see all the orgs for an item side by side. You can also see related items and can see the comparison. You can also see the material movement from component to finished good. We will go back and I will look at the same sheet in the monthly bucket. Here you can see that the buckets have changed to monthly. Then you have the dollarization report, which shows the same headings with dollars using standard cost. This also has monthly and weekly buckets. You have one more version created with the assumption that no new planned order is generated within the plan, so you just have the actual supplies in the plan. Some more reports. End item pegging, which is very unique. It shows summary level pegging for any end item or demand. You have make or buy distinction, then items and organizations are shown as they are structured within the BOM. You have some more. I have to rush due to limited time. Critical path analysis report can be used to understand why a demand is late. You can click on the end item and see the details. Forecast consumption details, item view, supply chain structure view. You can select the end item here and see the entire supply chain structure. So this was about what the Plan Viewer does on a higher level. You can do wonders with it by adding your own report. Thank you for listening.